fair one, that's for sure.
Who's the pathfinder?
What, you know you want it.
I can't remember whether it's best to go off left or right.
It looks right by it.
That's a big one. Go right or left? Go right. That's it. Keep going.
That's it, you're all right there.
That's it.
Come on, you're all right.
Hang on, look. Go on. Hold on! I think I got him full on too. Oh, it ended a trip to the beacons without an handlebar job.
That's brilliant. I went over it sideways,
I know.
Will you just stop?
You got to watch these bogs. Half black, half white.
He's my fucking hand stroke, please.
Where the fuck's he going? You want that seat down, don't you? You want that seat down?
Do you want to do a fucking O, It's fucking drunk,
Half him's black, half him's white. Are you alright? Want to group up before we head off? Group up before it goes down again. Group up before it drops again.
Woo!
So hang up or? All right. Probably should have gone the other way. See you later. Find your own way down. Where is he? Whoa, whoa, whoa! Can you see him? Yeehaw! That was classic. Go on, what's the matter?
Check my phone.
Before, do it, don't problem.
Oh, it's alright, the bag didn't go in.
I was fucking classic, I was. I stopped at ages waiting for fucking waiting to see where you coming. Go see him. Oh, woohoo! Oh, fucking hell.